In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an artifact in Claude AI. If you're new to the term, an artifact in Claude is an interactive output, like a live code preview, a diagram, or a formatted document that appears alongside the chat so you can see and iterate on results in a focused workspace. The process is quick, and once you know where to click and what to type, you can produce polished, working results in minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to Claude.ai new. This brings you straight to a fresh conversation. If prompted, sign into your account so your work is saved to your workspace. You'll know you're in the right place when you see an empty message box waiting for your prompt and the familiar Claude interface. Next, click the plus sign to start a new chat. This gives you a clean thread dedicated to the artifact you're about to create. A fresh thread helps Claude keep context tightly focused on your goal and avoids mixing instructions from older conversations that could steer results off course. Now type your prompt. Be clear about what you want the artifact to be and the outcome you expect. For example, you might say, create an artifact that shows a responsive landing page with a hero section, pricing cards, and a contact form. Include HTML, CSS, and minimal JavaScript and make it mobile first. Or, generate a flowchart illustrating a basic user onboarding funnel as an artifact with labeled steps and arrows. Specifics matter. Include constraints such as color palettes, fonts, dimensions, or performance targets, and mention any data or structure the artifact should follow. If you need explanations alongside the artifact, say so, and keep the request to one primary goal to help Claude produce a focused result. When you're ready, press enter or click the submit button. Claude will process your request, and if artifacts are available for your account, open an artifact panel with the live result next to the chat. You'll typically see a working preview and a clear explanation of what was built. If something doesn't look right, review the output and the reasoning Claude provides to understand how your instructions were interpreted. Because artifacts are tied to the conversation, you can maintain momentum in this space and build on what you've already created without losing context. That's all there is to it. Go to Claude, start a new chat, write a precise prompt, and submit. With thoughtful instructions, you'll get high-quality artifacts you can review and evolve quickly.